welcome back to Endless Craftabilities. If you are new here, do not forget to go look at our welcome video. If you are our return subscribers, our young king and queens, thank you for returning. We love having you guys back here with us to do our words of affirmation and a fun craft. So we are going to get into what we're going to do with you guys today, but first and foremost, some very important business. For those of you that have been watching us over and over again, number one, thank you that you are watching us so much that we have over 1,000 views at this point. But we do ask that you please subscribe. We love that you're coming back and watching us, but I mean, click the button. So please subscribe if you have not done so already, and like this video if you enjoyed making it with us. But we're gonna go ahead and get into what we're making today, and that is Monster Inc Sully. They've got a new movie coming out, so what's a better time than to do a Monsters Inc inspired craft? You can use this as a bag for Valentine's Day, or if you have 1 second, wait, or you can also, if you have a Monsters Inc inspired birthday party, use these as treat bags. Okay, so now we're gonna tell you what you need to do the craft.
You need purple for this on the sides. Let's get close.
His spots. No, you don't have to get close. So okay, so how about this? You go to the front. I will say what color they need, and you point to why they need it. He wants to do it this way. Okay. All right. So you need purple
for the spots right here.
Okay. You need black
for the eyes
and his mouth. And you need white for the horns and this part, the eye part. And his pearly whites. His not claws. What am I saying?
His teeth.
Ah! Sorry guys, there's some technical difficulties. Just don't worry about that.
We are so sorry.
We are just so sorry for the technical difficulties. Okay, come back, Max.
And for the teeth.
Alright, so
we forgot a blue part.
Oh, his nose. You're right. Okay.
And his body.
And we need blue for his nose. And then you just need a gift bag from the Dollar Tree. That's where we got that bag from. So let's go ahead and do our words of affirmation. And hopefully we stop mixing it up, because I don't know why we've been doing this so long already that we're not getting it right. Ready? I am kind. I am important. I am smart. I am brave. I am loved. And I am amazing. Okay, so again, amazing. Okay, so again, thank you guys so much for being willing to do this craft with us. We're going to jump right in, but if you have not yet, subscribe, and like the video, okay? All right, thank you guys. Let's jump right in. All right, so we're going to do our Sully from Monsters Inc. This is just going to be, like we talked about before, a Valentine bag, or if you're doing a Monsters Inc inspired birthday, it can be the treat bags for the party. So we've got our scraps. Again, you guys, you know we're going to be using our scraps here. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and cut out his mouth and his teeth. So Max already has his stuff cut out, so if you want, you can go ahead and start pasting. You're going to paste on your black mouth first. So here, you're going to paste that and then put your black mouth on. You guys will watch me. I'm just going to cut. I'm thinking of a banana when I cut this mouth, right? It's kind of like, you know what I mean when I do this. It's kind of like that. And then I round it on the sides a little bit. And then I do the same on this end. There we are. So that's going to be my mouth. And then I'm going to do my teeth. So the way that I make sure my teeth line up is I take the black part of my mouth and I trace it. This is going to make sure that any teeth that I make matches this mouth, and it's going to fit right on it. You got your stuff?
Yep.
Want to make sure you glue all the way to the sides, because if not, it might come apart. All right, so you see how we're tracing it? There we go. So now it's traced so good you can't tell the difference between the white and the black.
Everything's good.
Okay, it's good?
Yep.
Nice. So then you can put your teeth on. So he does have fangs because he is a monster. So you're going to do a big tooth, which is like a little mountain, and then several tiny teeth, and then my last big tooth for the other side of it. And I'm going to show you.
Yeah, and it doesn't work. Change of plan.
That's right. We don't say can't in this house. We just say we'll change our plan or begin again. All right. So there we are for our teeth, our bottom teeth with our fangs. And then I'm going to do the top part. Now for the top part, you're going to want to make sure that your fang is that your top teeth is bigger than your little teeth. So you see how my little teeth are here? I'm going to make sure that my top teeth go on the outsides of that. So here's my top fang. And I'm going to make more tiny little teeth. More tiny little teeth. More tiny little teeth. More tiny little teeth. And more tiny little teeth. You're just going to keep going making the tiny little teeth until you pass the part where you made your small teeth. And so we've passed it. Now I'm going to make another fang. And here. And there you are. You got the top and the bottom of your fangs.
What do you need?
I forgot my bag in my room.
Look at it.
Yes, please.
That's silly.
It is silly. I forgot a key ingredient.
People make mistakes. Paper.
Yep, it's okay. Thank you.
People make mistakes.
That's right. People do make mistakes. Okay, I'm back in action, guys. All right, so now we're going to start pasting. No, thank you. Okay. All right. So I'm making his mouth a little crooked because he's always, I don't know, when I watch the movie, he's always like looking from the side and he's got this either grin or not so much a grin because he's like angry. So I'm making his smile crooked. All right. So pasting on the bottom of those teeth and the top of our teeth. There we are. Oh my. Look at me telling Max to put enough glue and I didn't put enough glue. Alright, there you are. Now it's stuck down. The next thing we're going to work on is our eyeballs. Okay? So you're going to want your white first. So cutting off a piece of this scrap. A big circle, remembering that your other circles are going to go right inside of this, so they're going to have to be a lot smaller. So here's my first circle. Then I am going to take some scrap and I'm going to make my second circle. And if you want to glue eyes on, Max, you can.
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
Okay. You are on it. Alright, and just placing these so you guys can see. It's good to place it so you know if it's going to fit or not before you start to glue things on. And then lastly, I'm going to take some more scrap and I'm going to make the black part of our eyes. And it fits. It works, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and paste that on. What are they all? You have them all together?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
And I did a nose.
Oh, you did the nose already?
Yep.
Okay. So with your nose, you see how Mommy's got these marks on it? You can take this blue marker and mark the bottom of his nose. If you want to. Okay, now I'm going to place my purple eyeball on. To the second eye as well.
We did not say give up in this house.
We do not say give up in this house. We just keep on going, keep on doing, keep on trying. Okay, I'm going to put this here. And lastly, my other black, I'd say black eye view, the black part of my eye. And ta-da. Now the fun part is making his spots. His spots are different. All of them are different. So what I like to do is kind of do some squigglies. It's kind of like when you drop paint and paint splatters. It's like no rhyme or reason to it. You just are making like any kind of shape. So there's one spotty. Now, you guys do not need to mimic or copy the exact same thing that I'm doing. Just kind of have fun and play with it and make whatever shape you want him to have as spots for you. Alright, let's put that spot there. And then one more spot at the bottom, I think. I'll make a smaller spot. There we are. I'm going to move this one. There we go. I like that better. And then I'll make one more. What the hey. Also, you see how this kind of created its own pattern? I'm going to use that. I'm going to make this into a pattern itself. I'm going to make this part a little thinner. And maybe round that.
I think I need one more piece of the spots.
Okay, you want to make this piece? All right, grab your scissors and you cut a spot. Okay, now you can start gluing on your spots. Now again, there's no right or wrong way to do these spots, no right or wrong place to place these spots. You as the artist get to say, because you're the one creating the masterpiece, okay? Here we are down to our last two spots, and then on to nose making. And, okay, I'm gonna actually bring this over, that way it's kind of going around his head. There, and he's coming to life, and then soon he'll be able to go talk to Mike. Because we are doing Mike as well. So if you stay tuned and you watch our next video, you'll see we're going to do Mike. Now, you're going to make his horns. I did say nose, but I'm excited about his horns, so I changed my plan. We're going to do his horns, and then we're going to do his nose. So, as you see, fold over your paper so that they will be the exact same. It's kind of a curve to it, so you're going to do that. Round the top. And then bring it back down.
And you don't think it's good? Do you just get angry?
No, you don't get angry. What do you think you do?
Just try again.
That's right. But I will remind everyone's human and everyone's got, if you're anything like the people in this house, you've got big feelings. So even if you do get frustrated, it's okay to be frustrated. Just take a moment. Just know that you're frustrated and take a moment and then come back to your masterpiece, okay? So with your ears, you are going to flip them so that they are like this. Now the thing that I wanted to do is, if you look at him very closely, Sully has like a pattern on his ears. And so I'm going to take this dark blue pencil. I'm just going to make some curves at the bottom of it. You want to use this, or you want to use something different? All right, so.
Thank you.
You're welcome, handsome. Big, little, I don't know which handsome it is. Okay, and so then we're gonna pop it open just a little bit, and on the part right here, the front of the bag, we're just gonna press it in, and like so. And same thing here. Gonna pop it open and just like so. There you are. And now onto our last part, which is our nose. So with our nose, I'm going to kind of start off the way that we did our mouth, a little rounded shape. But then I'm going to round it here. I'm going to go up for his nostril, down for the tip of his nose, up for his nostril, and down for the tip of his nose. No, guys, you saw what I was doing. There's no other tip of his nose. I'm silly. So round this out, go up for one nostril, down for the tip of his nose, up for one nostril, and then down for the edge of his nose. That's what I meant to say.
And you're already got all clean up your mess.
Yeah, when you're done with your art, you should be kind to the grown-up in your house and clean up your mess. All right, so you're all set?
Yep.
And I'm all set too. So I'm going to do the tip of my nose and voila! There's our Sully. Now where's the mic? Watch the next, watch the next video so you'll be able to see it. I'm gonna fix him up right here. There we go, just like new.
There's 3 of these.
Yep.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, all right, move over. Okay, so thank you guys for doing that craft with us. As you can see, we've got our mic to go with our Sully and our Sully to go with our mic. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now it's a whole Mike and Sully family situation. I hope you guys enjoyed doing that craft with us. Again, you guys can definitely use this if you are doing a Monsters Inc inspired birthday party or a Valentine's gift bag. Or for any other reason you want to give a Monsters Inc bag with stuff in it, okay? So we'll see you guys next time. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe if you have not already done so. We'll see you again next week with a brand new craft. Bye.